Hi guys, today we're doing a science experiment with Skittles. Yummy. Make sure you don't eat them all. Okay, we're going to see if the Skittles dissolve in water. And I think it does. Let's see. Now we're going to spread the Skittles around in a circle in the plate. So I'm going to make a circle with the Skittles. It doesn't have to be in order. You can do whatever colors you want. Okay. What shape is this? A circle. All right. Next, you're going to need your parents to be next to you because you're going to use warm water. Okay, so I'm going to pour the warm water in the middle. I think that's enough. There we go. Now let's watch. So the more they are together, the more bigger they are. What do you notice? What do you see happening? The colors are bleeding in the middle. They're all going in the middle. Now we wait. How cool is that? Do you see all the different colors? Do you notice something? Are the colors mixing? No, they're just separating. That's so cool. Now it made a little swirly, all different color swirls. Now that looks so cool. And now that you see all the swirls, now you can eat one. Grab one from your plate or from the bag and you can have one. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.